Hey guys, I'm Jeff Goldtrap. Tip of the day: don't represent yourself. Okay, now you're saying, well, Jeff, you're a lawyer. You charge people for legal services, so you don't want them representing yourself. No, you know what? If you never hire me, and write this down, if you never hire me, still don't represent yourself. And here's the reason. Now, I'm specifically today talking about a criminal matter, especially in a criminal matter. In a civil matter, I don't encourage anybody to represent themselves anyway. But in a criminal matter, what is affected is maybe a criminal record that can follow you for the rest of your life, your liberty, like whether you can be locked up and confined in a what looks like a cage for the next days, months, or years, and yet you don't want to ask for legal help, which you have a right, constitutional right, to an attorney. You may have the right to a court-appointed attorney. If you can afford one, hire a lawyer, but don't represent yourself. Why? Because there's a person on the other side. The state of Tennessee has provided themselves with a lawyer in the form of the district attorney. That person is trained in the law. They're trained in the rules of evidence. They're trained in the rules of criminal procedure. And they're trained in how to ask you questions so that you can walk yourself right into a greater and greater trouble. I was in a neighboring city recently, and I watched a preliminary hearing. The only thing that is decided to do is, the only thing looking to be decided is whether or not, A, whether a crime occurred. Is it likely that the crime occurred? B, is it likely that this is the individual? Very, very low level of proof. The person said, no, I intend to represent myself. And then later made some other mistakes. In that hearing, there was not only probable cause found for the small charge, I think it was like public intox and some other things, but there was an admission that as me sitting there thinking, that sounds like I just admitted to burglary, or at least admitted to trespassing. A person not knowing what they want to do, and they're very passionate, they're very excited, they're very offended, and they can't see the forest for the trees. Okay, don't represent yourself. Get some help. Get some help. I'm Jeff Goldtrap. If I can help you, let me know. If I can help you, maybe just find an attorney or find an appointed attorney. Let me know what I can do for you. Reach out. Hey, have a great day.